Now I want to have a look at a couple of other visuals that we haven't gone through. One is a multi-row card. We looked at cards. In fact, our dashboard, if I right click here and go to dashboard, our dashboard was full of cards. A card has a single value, whereas a multi-row card actually shows one or more data points per row. So I want to give you a little bit of heads up what that looks like. I also want to show you, we've looked at a gauge chart and we've looked at a bar chart. I now want to have a look at a funnel chart. And a funnel chart is really good when you want to visualize a process that has stages or items that flow sequentially from one stage to the next. It's a very good chart for demonstrating that. So first of all, I want to go to the life expectancy page. So I click on life expectancy and I click on the blank canvas. Let's start with a multi-row card. Now the multi-row card looks like this. I click this particular visual that appears on my page, and then I want to grab some details, not from age data or from density, but from life expectancy. In life expectancy, I'd like to see the life years. So I'm going to drag that into my fields. And so straight away I'm seeing life years. I also want to drag continent. So I drag continent into my fields as well. And so now I'm seeing, if I just stretch it, a multi-row card, and just move it, where I'm seeing the life years by continent. I've chosen Europe, so I can click on it to unfilter it. You can click to filter and click to unfilter. But basically I'm seeing alphabetically listed the continents and the life years. Now the life years are being summed, and we've learned that a few times now, that the default function applied to a lot of fields is sum. And so I actually want to change that to average, and I want to see the average life years per continent. Now, so that's our multi-row card. Now let's click on a blank part of the canvas, and now let's add a funnel chart. This here, this visualization is called funnel, so we click that, and I can stretch that and size it. Okay. Now on my funnel chart, I want to have the life years as my values. So I drop that into values. And I want to have my continent as a group or a category. So I choose the category. And the values, of course, will have changed to sum. So I need to set that to average. And so there are my average life years by continent. And as I click on any particular continent, it naturally focuses in on the particular bar in my funnel chart. And if I click it twice, I unfilter it. So that's an example of a funnel chart.